Yeah, manners and respect me, G. I breezy this.
Who says so?
I breezy this, me G.
Who says so?
I patch catch at the man.
Patrick. Where we side?
You don't know me, bad man. I chin my call, but where you on chin in a brother?
Which chin?
Bad man, stop going like you're an idiot now, youth. Bad man, you must know which chin me I talk about, brother.
Oh man, which chin?
Now Spain, who are we forward from, youth?
Eh?
Now Spain, who are we forward from?
Who are we? Who is we?
Bad man, chin from Spain, Spain town.
What?
Where you on her in a brother?
I'm a woman.
Are you a woman? Bumbuckler, what a wicked blood clot girl, youth. A wicked bumbuckler girl, brother. You know say chin a breed?
Eh?
Bumbuckler. So she not tell you?
Oh, chop it up. What's my head with this?
She not tell me so she a breed for me now, youth. You see it, how me looking at... Yeah, how me looking at her phone now, bad man. Me I see your number and thing. Me I see a older brother, she a say, yo.
Hold on. So who is you? Where you come from?
Apache, me forward from Spain. A March inside me forward from, you see it?
So where you know chin from?
A Spain town, bad man. You see it?
Hold on, Shabby.
What you say?
Hold on,
She tell me say almost reach 2 months now, youth. And she tell me say you is a brother way. You are run her down, me not worry about you, you see it?
Me?
Yeah.
Around 2 months now, I don't see her for real, 2 to 3 months.
You don't see her? What make? Oh, what cause that? Only in a relationship. What cause that, me J?
You know, just a little time, should have taken a little time and set you have a focus on something and see.
Bumbuckler, girl, trick you, my dog. Girl, trick you, bro. What she have to focus? Not a bumbuckler focus. A wood she have focus on. You see it?
When last I hear from her?
Owen, Friday. Friday me hear from her. Yeah, I'm sending her money. 300 grand me send her bad man. Yo, since I the chin there, you know, tell her some go on back that 300 grand there, no bad man.
No man, you can't.
I don't feel me pitting that, I feel.
You don't send her for food already.
I mean, me done something I must want, my bum, the girl take me for idiot, bro.
That's a year problem, chop it.
So I feel pitting her for me.
Right, now you look at a year. I don't know about this.
What the bumbuckler you say, youth? And the girl say, I'm not worry about you because you're in a body business, in a bad man.
Hold on.
You hear me, chop? Chop, breezy.
You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear my dog.
Hey, what one?
Yeah, she say me not worry about you because you in a body business with man. I don't even know from what she say.
Which man?
Me don't know youth.
No man, I can't my thing at that man.
I see him chin with a chat bad man. I see him chin.
My thing.
You mean I hear chin browning, brother?
No man. Hold on. I make a connect a link there.
Alright, connect her, me G. Yo, add her to the call, add her.
Hold on, no, I don't think we can do that. I connect her a link.
What you mean you can? Add her to the call, brother.
Chop it. Here.
Cause girl I go manipulate your youth.
No man, I know how to deal with this man.
You know if you deal with it?
Yeah.
Aye. Chin him go deal with you. You go see style.